Hi, I'm Diana with AED Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Heartsine AED pad pack. Let's see how it's done. Heartsine manufactures the battery and pads together in one easy-to-use cartridge called a pad pack. Since the pad pack is one piece, there will be one expiration date that the pads and batteries share. You'll turn the device over and locate the cartridge. The expiration date is in the blue. You can remove your pad pack, place it to the side so it doesn't get mixed up with the new one, and you'll need to recycle it. Take your new pad pack, slide it in your device until you hear a click. The device may beep, so don't be alarmed. Be careful not to pull the green tab, as this will put the device into rescue mode. Your AED is rescue ready if there's a green light flashing here. You've successfully replaced your pad pack. We hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, give us a call, because we're in it for life.